So we've been getting a ton of questions about what is the difference between a card scraper versus traditional sandpaper. Now, some people would debate that a card scraper is a much cleaner cut. Other people are all about the sandpaper. We're not going to weigh in on which one's better, but we thought we'd tell you exactly how they work and let you decide for yourself. Now, to do this, we need a visual aid, so I've asked our assistant Nathan to sit in so I can kind of show you the different fundamentals. Now, when it comes to sanding wood, wood is very fibrous, so when you sand wood, you're basically taking all those wood fibers and you're pushing them in one direction. That makes it nice and smooth. You can get a really good finish this way. A card scraper, on the other hand, is actually going to take those wood fibers and it's going to slice them off right at the tip. Now, let me show you what that looks like. Now, I know that was a little quick, but hopefully you get the idea. Sanding versus card scraping, both different techniques, but both very effective.